Hello friends, welcome back to Lucky Star Classes. I am Aram Ahmed and today we will learn matter in our surrounding of chemistry, which is chapter 1. So let's begin. There are large number of things around us which we see and feel. Like we can see a book in front of us. It occupies some space and at same it is called its volume. And when we pick up the book we feel its weight, so the book have some mass. We cannot see air around us, yet we fill a balloon with air. It occupies space bounded by the balloon and it has also mass. Things like book and air are matter. For example, examples of matter are wood, clothes, paper, ice, brick, chalk, steel, water, etc. Matter offer resistance. Point is matter offer resistance, which mean until we will not apply force, the thing will not move, displaced, place. Point is matter offer resistance. That mean until we will not apply force, it will not move. Like if there is any stone on the ground, until we will not pick it, it can't be picked up. It will just lay on the ground until it is not forced to pick up. Let's go to another point. Things those are not matter. Things like heat and electricity are not matter. Like heat, electricity are not matter. Why? Here is a question, why these are not matter? Because for being a matter there are three conditions as follows. Here are the conditions. Firstly, it should occupy space. It should have a volume, means it should occupy space. Second is it should have mass. Mean it should have weight. Like a book is matter, it have some weight like 1 kg. Volume, like book is matter and it has occupying space anywhere on the ground, table. And third condition is it should be resistant. Mean until any force will be applied on it, it will not move. These are three conditions which shows that anything is matter. So for today, in this much only. We will meet in next video. Our next topic will be physical nature of matter. So for encouraging me, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell notification to get the updates first to you.